Everyone, my name is Muhammad Abdullah Afzal, roll number 2020-53. Today I am going to discuss about adaptive filters. Adaptive filters. Adaptive filters are dynamic systems that adjust their parameter to minimize a predefined cost function, typically an error signal. Unlike static filters, adaptive filters can change in response to variations in the input signal, making them suitable for non-stationary environments. Wiener filter theory. The Wiener filter is a type of linear filter used to produce an estimate of a desired signal by minimizing the mean square error between the estimated and the desired signal. The theory is based on the statistical properties of the signal and noise. The key points of the Wiener filter theory: minimize the mean square error, non-autocorrelation and cross-correlation function of the input signal and the noise, involve solving the Wiener-Hopf equations. The steepest descent algorithm is an iterative method for finding the minimum of a function in the context of adaptive filtering. It is used to minimize the mean square error by adjusting the filter coefficients in the direction of the negative gradient of the error surface. The key points of steepest descent algorithm. Update rule. You can see the updated rule in the mathematical equations. Least mean square algorithm. The least mean square algorithm is a simplified version of the steepest descent algorithm used in adaptive filtering to minimize the error signal. It approximates the gradient vector using the current data sample. Now key points of least mean square algorithm. As you can see in the report. Now recursive least square algorithm. The recursive least square algorithm provide a more efficient solution by recursively updating the filter coefficients to minimize the least square error. It typically offers faster convergence compared to the LMS algorithm. Now key points. It minimizes the exponentially weighted least square errors. You can see the updated rule and Kalman gain, error signal or covariance matrix update. Now application of the adaptive filters. Noise cancellation. Adaptive filters are extensively used in noise cancellation applications where the objective is to eliminate unwanted noise from a signal. For instance, in audio processing, adaptive filter can remove background noise from speech signals. System modeling. Adaptive filter can model unknown system by adapting their parameters to match the system's behavior. This is useful in applications such as systems identification and adaptive control. Line enhancement. Adaptive filters enhance specific signal components by suppressing noise. For example, line enhancement techniques can improve the quality of the communication signal by removing interference. Cancelling periodic interferences using linear prediction. Linear prediction can be employed to cancel periodic interferences in signals. Adaptive filters predict the interference and subtract it from the original signal, effectively cancelling it out. Electrocardiography interference cancellation. In ECG signal processing, adaptive filters remove power line interference and other artifacts from the ECG signal to provide a clearer representation of the heart's electrical activity. Echo cancellation in long distance telephone circuit. Adaptive filters are crucial in echo cancellation for telecommunication system. They estimate and subtract the echo from the received signal, enhancing the quality of the long signal. Now, the summary for today lab is adaptive filters supported by algorithms like LMS and RLS offer versatile solution for signal processing applications, particularly in environments where signal characteristics can change over time. Their ability to minimize error and adapt to new conditions make them invaluable in noise cancellation, system modeling, and interference migration. That's all about today's lab. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.